10 Best ChatGPT Prompts for WordPress SEO. For WordPress SEO, it's crucial to understand user intent and clarify any confusion or questions related to search engine optimization. Here are 10 ChatGPT prompts tailored to this need. 1. ChatGPT prompt for keyword research. What are the best tools for keyword research for WordPress sites? 2. ChatGPT prompt for on-page SEO. How can I optimize my meta tags for better rankings? 3. ChatGPT prompt for image optimization. What's the best way to compress and alt tag my images for SEO? 4. ChatGPT prompt for mobile optimization. How can I ensure my WordPress site is mobile friendly for search engines? 5. ChatGPT prompt for link building. Can you provide tips for building high-quality backlinks to my WordPress site? 6. ChatGPT prompt for content strategy. How often should I post new content for optimal SEO results? 7. ChatGPT prompt for technical SEO. I've heard about XML sitemaps and robots.txt for WordPress. Can you explain their importance? 8. ChatGPT prompt for site speed. How can I improve the loading speed of my WordPress website for better SEO? 9. ChatGPT prompt for Google Analytics. How do I integrate Google Analytics with my WordPress site to monitor SEO performance? 10. ChatGPT prompt for SEO plugins. Which SEO plugins do you recommend for a WordPress website? Using these ChatGPT prompts, ChatGPT can guide users to find answers related to SEO for their WordPress website, helping them achieve better search engine rankings and drive more organic traffic. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Sign up now by clicking the link in the description below to download 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts and experience the power of ChatGPT prompts for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content.